Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix ConvertKit login problems, creator account errors step by step clearly. To fix ConvertKit login problems, start by visiting the ConvertKit login page. Ensure you are using the correct URL, which is convertkit.com. Once on the page, enter your email address in the designated field. Double-check that there are no typos in your email address. Next, input your password in the password field. Make sure your caps lock is turned off, as passwords are case sensitive. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Enter your email address again to receive a password reset email. Check your inbox for the password reset email from ConvertKit. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. After resetting your password, return to the login page. Enter your email address and new password. If you continue experiencing login issues, try clearing your browser's cache. To clear your cache, access your browser's settings or preferences. Look for the Privacy or History section and select the option to clear browsing data. Make sure you select cached images and files before confirming. Once cleared, return to the ConvertKit login page and try logging in again. If the problem persists, consider trying a different web browser or device. Alternatively, ensure your browser is updated to the latest version. If you're still unable to log in, check for any ongoing issues with ConvertKit's system. Visit ConvertKit's status page or their social media channels for updates. If everything appears normal, reach out to ConvertKit support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the issue and any error messages you are encountering. Once they have the necessary information, they can help resolve your login issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.